Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials, movement tools, and survivability. Make sure you have Mantis Claw for wall jumping and Shade Cloak to dodge heavy attacks. This speeds traversal. Once done, set a bench near Howling Cliffs or resting grounds to reset. Equip charms that boost charm notches and health. Then head toward the eastern exit of Howling Cliffs, hugging the top ledges to avoid lower enemy clusters. This positions you to reach the tram or direct path toward kingdoms, edge quickly and safely. You now handle the tougher middle section. Focus on chaining wall jumps with Mantis Claw to clear wind gaps. Timing matters, so jump, cling, then jump again. Don't hold the button. Make distance from flying foes by luring them one at a time into platforms where you can land hits. Save at least one full soul bar to heal or cast a ranged spell when pressured, because one mistake in narrow corridors costs more time than backtracking. Continue east, checking for hidden platforms and breakable floors. You're on the last stretch. Stick to the high ledges and use double jump combos to cross long gaps. Drop down only when a safe landing is visible. Clear heavy enemies first so they don't knock you off during the final climb to Kingdom's Edge. Once at the edge, move slowly and bait foes off platforms before proceeding. If you hit a dead end or die repeatedly, return to a bench, adjust charms or add masks, then retry with patience. That single tweak usually fixes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.